what's up guys? I hope everyone is doing well and have had a great weekend. Today I'm doing a quick review on Ethereum. First of all, to determine my higher time frame levels, I always use a higher time frame like monthly, quarterly or yearly. So today I'm going to start with the 12-month time frame and we'll take the previous yearly candle as our range and to determine the areas that price will likely react on higher time frame. So I take this previous yearly high and its low to determine our range, and then I go to the monthly candle, and as you can see here that this is the yearly range. This was the previous yearly low and this was the previous yearly high, and price has reacted to its mid-range and the mid-range between these two area quite well. So now to determine my a little bit lower time frame levels, like for the weekly and monthly and even for 4 hour, I use the monthly candle. So this two down move and this corrective moves, I use most of the time a green candle, a corrective candle in a downtrend to determine my range and see when the price will pump out of that range or will be ranging inside that candle. So I take this up candle, green candle of July as our lower range, so I take its high and its low and I make it in another color, and from here blue, and I go to the lower time frame. So now we have much more clearer areas and you can see that how price reacted to this mid-range and this mid-range between this mid-range and this low range of yearly candle. So here it was supported and here it became resistance. And now we go to the daily chart, and here I would like to determine this base, this range that daily range that was the base of this huge move to the upside, which has caused our new all-time high on the previous cycle. So I take this range, daily range, as the base of that huge move to the upside, and I make it black as well. So this is the base of that huge move to the upside. Most of the time price will eventually round trip, do a round retest to that base. So this base, this yearly low is around 700 and this base is between 650 and 450. So this is an area that I will spot buy Ethereum in coming months. But for now we are in this monthly range, this range high, range low. This is the monthly mid-range that has supported price twice and became resistance, and now price broke above it and it has become support area. So what I'm looking here, and here you can see that this monthly range, this is the high of that July range that price was, that acted as resistance. Price moved above, deviated, fall below it, did an underside retest and fell to the mid-range, and currently this monthly high is an area of liquidity that price I think will eventually take this high, this liquidity, and reach to this up candle before this huge move to the downside. So this up candle can be taken as supply zone, and I will make it read. So I think the price will in coming days will reach to this area, at least this area, and if price shows strength it might go to this level. This a less probable scenario, but it can happen. And you know, if you have been in previous cycles, you might know that we have bear market rallies and that can cause huge move to the upside, like this was the huge move to downside, and this can be, according to this move, it can be like 50% or 60% correction, which is normal. So this is the highest area price will might reach, but I think for now at least price will reach to this level, and it is a good area to short Ethereum back down, and important area for Ethereum, and to react of it. If it want to go higher, it must make it support area, otherwise it will fall back from here to this mid range and probably to this range low, take this equal lows, and eventually in coming months I think Ethereum will reach to this base. So this is my higher time frame view, but if I want to trade Ethereum I will go to the lower time frame again. I will take this 12-hour candle as support soon, and price moved up, retested it, price come up, but couldn't close that 12-hour candle above this high. So we are still this range and we haven't broke this high. So I will take this high, I will take this high as our range high, and this low as our range low. So as long as Ethereum can hold this support zone, it can eventually go for this range high and this supply zone. But if it fall below this range, it will come to 1300, and after that it might go all the way to this range low and eventually to that base. So this is my plan, and I'm looking to either long this level around here. Let's go to the 4-hour. As you can see, price went up, come down, mitigated, went up again, but didn't make a high. So this candle is important for me, that it should hold a support, and if price fall below it and eventually below this level, it will go to the 1300 level, and after that it can go to this 1200 and eventually to 1000. Otherwise it is still in an up move and can go for higher levels. This is my whole thoughts and what I'm looking to play on Ethereum. Thanks for watching this video.